AJ Mitter here, Wonderland Marine West in Howell, and today I'm with the 25-foot Avalon Excalibur FL. Everybody loves their swingback TriToon, so this is a 25-foot TriToon with a swingback layout. On the exterior of the Avalon here, unlike any other TriToon on the market, you can see that they have a smooth automotive style design on the exterior, and what, other than looking super sleek, what that does for you is it's easy cleanup at the end of the day. So they don't have those derails on the exterior of the boat, so when you want to wipe your boat down at the end of the day, it's nice and easy cleanup all the way down. Also on the Avalon, separating this from everything else, if you're out there at the end of the day for an evening cruise and you forget your navigation lights, it has a pinstripe on every single Avalon model, so that if you're out there on nighttime, it's reflective stripping, so everybody can see you on the water. Nobody's running you over at nighttime. Pop-up cleats here, coming on up into the boat. We got headlights here on the front. Coming up on in, our furniture throughout the whole Avalon is pillow top seating, real nice diamond stitching. In this specific boat, we have black fresco is a cool touch vinyl, so it's not going to get hot in the sun, and it looks absolutely awesome. We do have a in-floor storage here. There is a hydroturf mat that goes over top of that. We just don't install it till the customer takes delivery of it. On all of our Avalons, they come with a table. Avalon doesn't mount them from the factory, so the customer can decide basically where they want it mounted in the boat. And this layout here is probably designated spot would be right here in the L shape of the swing back here in the back. We got lighting package, cup holders, underwater lights, all light up. Wireless phone charger on the right side of our dash. Something that Avalon does amazing is their dash design. I mean, it is automotive. It is like you were sitting in a cockpit here. We got a Simrad, a 12-inch Simrad Garmin there in the dash display. Bolster seat, so you can slide your seat forward and backwards. You can stand up and drive and get a real good visual all the way around. Something that Avalon does with all of their throttles from we have a Yamaha 350 is what's going to be powering this boat here, but something that Avalon does with their throttles that not a lot of other pontoon manufacturers do is it's a side mount. And what that does is it locks into neutral. So the other manufacturers use the throttles that sit on top of the console, and what that does is if you're standing here and accidentally bump into it, you're sliding into gear. There's nothing that locks it into neutral. So Avalon separates from everybody else there. Power arch, tower speakers on the arch. By the press of a button, it comes up and down. There's a tow point on top of the tower. Where all the magic happens, that everybody wants, is your swing back layout here in the back of the boat. Avalon does an awesome job with their swing back. Lounging facing backwards. Same lounger on the back goes completely flat. So you can be sitting facing forward. You can be sitting facing backwards. Now you're lounging. And then this also flips back like this. This guy flips up, folds down, so you can be lounging facing backwards and sitting facing forward. Huge storage underneath all the seats. Storage underneath there. About 8-foot long storage in our ski locker there. Off the back of the boat here, we do have our safety chains. It is legal to ride on the back of this swingback layout, where a lot of other swingback layouts, it's not legal to be back there. Lily pad ladder here is the upgraded ladder. It is huge. I wish that I had that when my dog was a puppy. It'd be really easy getting everybody on and off the boat. Underwater lights there, and speakers off of the swing back here, and stainless steel ski tow bar. And that's the 2585 Avalon Excalibur FL.